Artificial intelligence is silently replacing a lot of jobs, especially in the IT industry. So, if you are doing one of these jobs, then your job might be at risk. But don't worry, I will show you the top 5 jobs which will be definitely replaced by AI in the near future. And I will also tell you how you can future proof your career to make sure you are not affected by the AI wave. Let's start with manual testing. AI can now write, run, and even self heal the test cases by itself without requiring a manual tester. So, organizations are now trying to replace the manual testers with AI bots. So, here is what you should do to stay relevant. Master automation testing tools like Selenium or Cypress. Learn test automation using CI/CD tools and DevOps. Get into performance testing or security testing. And if you are a senior with lot of testing experience, then you should try to become a quality engineering strategist. So don't just test software, help design how the testing works. Next is L1 support roles. If you are doing a password reset, checking logs, responding to alerts, then this is a perfect job for an AI bot to do. So AI doesn't sleep, it doesn't require breaks, and it can work 24 bar 7. And most of the organizations are using AI bots for this L1 work. So here is what you should do to stay relevant. Upgrade to L2 or L3 roles, which are more technical. Learn how to configure and run AI agents. You can also explore roles in cloud or cybersecurity area. Look for roles in DevOps or site reliability engineering. So you let the bot handle the tickets and the basic stuff, and you do things which requires more technical knowledge. If you are an SQL developer who is only generating reports, then you are replaceable. Why do we need a person to generate basic reports when most of the AI tools are providing this feature where report generation can be done only using natural language? For example, a manager can just say, give me the revenue by region, and it is going to build and create the dashboard for the manager. So here is an upgrade path for you. Learn storytelling with data, master tools like Power BI and Looker. Get into roles where you are doing more of predictive analytics. Learning Python for data science would be the most preferred option for somebody with experience in SQL. So don't just show data, tell the story behind it. If you are a project manager who is managing tasks, running stand up meetings, or creating reports, but you are not getting involved in any of the technical work, then AI might already be doing your job. Organizations are now looking for technical managers who are able to manage people, but also they are able to contribute to the technical work which is happening in the project. So here is how you can become irreplaceable. Learn how agile and DevOps workflows work. Understand basics of cloud, APIs, data flows. Understand how the AI projects work. Get involved in the technical discussions in the project and try to understand the technology behind it. Master technical tools like Jira, Confluence, for your project management work. Showcase yourself as a technical project manager who is not only managing timelines but managing project outcomes. If you are a junior developer doing basic front end development activities, then your job might not be safe because there are a lot of AI tools which are generating exceptional front end code quickly without requiring much manual intervention. Here is how you can grow in your career. Try to become a full stack developer. Learn how AI can be integrated into these apps. Focus on UX research and design systems. Think how you can build products and not just simple pages. If AI can build the user interface, you build the user experience. AI is only going to remove or replace the repetitive work. It will not be able to replace the strategic work. So you will not be replaced by AI, but you will be replaced by somebody who knows how to use the AI tools. So learn, lead, and grow with AI. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and tell me in the comments which role you think can be easily replaced by AI. Make sure to subscribe the channel for real world AI knowledge. Thank you for watching and keep learning AI.